Hello everyone, welcome to Marigold TV. Please, if today is your first time to watch or listen to my updates, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also remember to press the bell sign. For those of you who don't already subscribe to this channel, thank you so much. To all my returning subscribers, in fact, I really appreciate each and every one of you. Anyway, today, my people, this ogbonge matter where I carry come here, so e get to do with wetin some of angry Lagos State youth go do for inside Oba of Lagos Palace. Hey, I so much believe say many of una go don see that video. In fact, it was a disaster. Now, war he be in my own entire life, I never see where anybody go dey so bold enter inside palace. This one na palace of king o. E no be individual house o. E no be government house o. E no be ordinary private property. A king palace. We all know the role wey king dey. King is more or less like second god. You understand? To every each tribe, king wey dey for every countries, right, is supposed to be very well respected. Not to talk of say you wan come even dey bold enter the king palace, come turn the palace upside down, carry the staff of office of Oba of Lagos. Those angry youth, they carry and they begin, they run, they parade for area, they go. They do that one, they steal everything where they for inside palace. They carry one thing, kind of coffee, something. They carry and they begin, they carry and they run, they go. At the end of the day, they can't detect, say, na money na dey inside there, they boss am. All of them begin, they pack money. They see carry the food, they begin, they loot food for inside king palace. They can't even need to carry the king comot for palace for all those angry youths. That was so very, very disrespecting to all those angry youths who go do that thing. No matter what, they never born that person reach that extent to enter palace. E be like say some of all these angry youths wey get that mind to enter palace that day, they no know the consequences for wetin they do. And this way they do, in fact, they no go ever try here. There is nobody wey go ever try such a thing to all those obas wey una see here. Nobody. Like our great Oba of Benin Kingdom, long live our Oba. Who wan go try that nonsense? Fear no go let you stand in the front of palace, say you wan misbehave, not to talk of say you wan march enter inside. You wan die. They never born that person reach am. Or they wan go do am to which other king again. They no go even try such a thing to Ooni of Ife or Alaafin of Oyo. But all those children wey do that thing, they need to come out. All of them, as they just say they group that day, they need to go back for forgiveness, because anybody wey disrespect his own king, he don't disrespect wetin he not supposed to disrespect. He don't disrespect a king. King, they get king. King is na person wey be say God Almighty give the authority to, give the power to, wey be say today everybody wey we all don't know say na king. Any word wey talk, you have to say yes to it. You know they look king 2 times. You know they tell king say wetin he do, na so he supposed to take do am, na so he not supposed to take do am. Anything wey king talk na final. Not to talk of you just dey angry reach there. I beg the parents of all those youths wey get mind to enter inside palace that day, make dem just call their children or make dem begin dey ask their children question if dem even participate in such a act. Make dem just go to the king, make all of dem go beg for forgiveness. So because in olden days, if this kind of thing wey happen to Oba of Lagos State happen, in fact na the whole generation of all those people wey participate in destruction of that palace, they go suffer am dearly. When I see that video, it really surprised me. It really surprised me. I never see that kind of thing before. I so much believe say some of una wey still watch that video, una never see that kind of thing in your entire life before too. Even though say civilization don't come make so many people not come even dey respect themselves again, at least they should still respect the king of their land. The eye where everybody take dey look king is more or less like second god on earth after God. Now king, because why? The authority, the power where king they get, now God they give them, is gifted. Is gifted. Government on their own, no matter as government they powerful reach, say within that 8 years, they get voice. They fit get some kind authority where they will say, okay, they don't want this to be done this way. They want this to be done this way. If it get to do with any traditional thing, but still, the king, the government itself, they know they talk wetin traditional ruler they do. They say they bow down for traditional ruler. If traditional ruler say, see wetin they want, may they do, they go see bow. For now to know how powerful is a king in every land, before anybody wey wan contest to be a governor or a president or whichever position where you want to contest into, you still have to go and see king for their blessings, for their prayer. Now some of all those angry youth, sometimes in life, some of those children wait there for inside that Lagos there, we go do all this disaster to the palace of Oba of Lagos. Tomorrow, when things go come dey difficult for them just now, they'll come they blame their innocent parents. Sometimes person will not even do them anything. They'll come they see that one I be the wish where they disturb them. Not knowing say now waiting they go use their hand go cause. Now it give them big wahala. Just like all this group now, we go inside Oba of Lagos Palace, go destroy things. And still, the staff of office where they take there, where they steal, now only God know whether they don't return her. In fact, my country people, as I just come across all this old update where just they go on, where some of these Nigeria youth just do to Oba of Lagos, it was so kind of very, very disrespecting. So make una see put una comment which una think concerning that incident. I believe say many of una watch the video there. So thank you very much, and don't forget, put your comment, press the like button. See you in my next update.